We're going to be talking all about taking your knowledge, your expertise, your training, your courses, your consulting, and even your services into the corporate market. This is a very different beast to doing the B2C, the business to customer public market. It's a very different approach to the way that we market, the way we sell, the way we talk about our products. I'm going to be showing you guys everything from what are the differences between B2B and B2C. We're going to be talking about how do you actually approach and find these corporate clients in the first place, and then what do you need to do in terms of creating that commercial arrangement with that corporate client, what's involved, how do you put a proposal together, what should be in one, and then we're going to close up today's session with some practical tips as to how you can start going out there, reaching out and creating these sales conversations with people. My name is Sarah Cordiner. I am a qualified teacher trainer, curriculum developer. I'm Female Entrepreneur of the Year 2023 in 2 awards. I own Techmatics, which is a tech platform, and gained a valuation of $15 million in its first year, as well as owning my education and training company. I have been one of the most senior leaders, the executive director and head of campus of a university, and I've worked for the government as a state manager for workforce training and development. And over the last 15 years of providing training services to the public, to government, to universities, to colleges, and to some of the biggest top 5 ASX listed companies and Fortune 500 companies, I come in to share with you my experience both as the service provider, the trainer, the facilitator, the consultant, but also as the person who is sat in the corporate role who hires people like you and I, who actually has to source, communicate with, and pay trainers and consultants. So with having significant experiences on both those sides of the fence, we're going to make sure that you are set up with everything you need to know to succeed in corporate and B2B sales.